Welcome back to the Watercolor Journey Painting Challenge. Hi, I'm Chris, and this time I'll be painting some fall leaves. It's the beginning of fall as I'm filming this video, and I'm so inspired by all the yummy colors I see popping up just about everywhere, and all the spicy, yummy scents. Now I can't wait for sweater weather, but it's actually still 100 degrees Fahrenheit out here in the desert, so I'll have to wait a little longer for that. Painting fall leaves is not only beautiful and fun, but it's also very simple with the technique I'll be showing you today. I'll be doing a simple wet on wet, which is an extension of what we did in the last video. If you missed that one, you can click on the screen to watch it now and then come back to this one afterwards. Let's get to work painting some beautiful fall leaves. You can see I've sketched different types of leaves on the paper. I've got maple, I've got oak, I've got a variety of different ones on here just to make it fun and interesting. Honestly, you can do the same shape of leaf if you'd like to. I just wanted to see a lot of different things going on here. And for this project, I'm going to do a simple wet on wet. This is going to be really easy to do. All you have to do is follow along with me. And I'm just going to start at the top so I don't get my arm in my wet paint here at the bottom. And I'm going to fill this shape with water. And the paint will stay where I put the water. Once I have my leaf filled in with water, I can take a color and just start dropping it in. I can drop it in or paint it in. I'd like to paint it because I want to see the paint going all the way to the edges. And while this is wet, I'm going to add some drops of another color. And the water will allow this other color to travel through and make some really beautiful effects. I'm going to add the tiniest bit of this autumn leaf brown too. I want it as random as I can get. I don't want anything too perfect going on here. Maybe I'll just put lines through here for fun and see how they spread out inside the water. I'm going to move to the next leaf and go ahead and paint it through so it's completely wet. And this time I am going to drop some yellow. This is actually my fire, which I believe is a metallic color. This could be fun. So again, I'm going to draw some lines just to see what that does. Could be interesting, but I want some more color in there too. So I'm going to drop a little bit of happy yellow here and there. Make it a little messier. I really want these colors getting crazy. And just so this color isn't exactly like that one, I'm going to drop some orange in here too. That one's going to be really interesting. I'm going to start with this orange here and go all the way around all the edges. This leaf is really frilly, a lot of curves, so it's both fun and challenging to paint. Great for brush control practice, that is for sure. This one, I think I'm going to add more of this bright happy yellow and see what that does to it. And again, so these aren't too close. I'm going to add a little bit of this earth brown here, just to add a little flavor of something else. Now I need to paint some stems. So I'm going to use this color to paint a few of these. Oh, I love that. I feel like this is a little plain though, after all of these are so diverse. So I might add just a little water and just a little bit of color here. That's nice. And maybe a little yellow to this one. So also a little even for my taste for this particular project. Drop some yellow in there and make sure I have plenty of it so I can make a dent. We'll see how that dries. So this is really the continuation of what we did last time with the circles, where you can take a sketch and fill it with something. And you can do this with animal shapes and all kinds of things. I've done it with all different kinds of paintings and sketches. So let me know if you try this. I can't wait to see your projects in the Facebook group. And I hope painting some fall leaves got you in the mood for the season. If you have any questions about the process or need some encouragement, let me know in the comments below or in our private Facebook group, which is a safe space for you to share your projects and your thoughts. If you get a chance to paint this project, I would love to see your version in the Facebook group community. There's a link to join us in the description. If you're just finding this channel on YouTube, I have a watercolor painting challenge you can join today. You'll get access to all the lessons, the full color workbook, and the community, as well as the online challenge hub, all for free, so you don't want to miss it. There's a link to sign up in the description. And when you join us in the challenge community, you might even see your artwork featured in one of these videos later on. In fact, here are the beautiful projects that have been posted in the community recently from our members. Thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos as they come out. And I'll see you next time.